Generative AI, Agentic AI, AI agent. You have heard the buzzword AI agent, Agentic AI, Generative AI. But do you actually know the difference? If you can't explain in 10 seconds, stay with me because after today, you will be able to explain it better than your boss. If you are data engineer, Gen AI developer, or a student dreaming for breaking into AI, you have probably heard people mix up these terms AI agent, Agentic AI, and Generative AI. Here is the truth, they are not the same. Generative AI is like a cricket batsman who can play a wide range of shots, but only from what they have practiced before. AI agents are like a player who can decide the best shot in real time based on the field placement. And agentic AI, that's your captain, not just playing, but making strategy, calls, changing field position, and even asking for DRS when it matters. But the end of this video, you will not only understand each concept, you will know exactly when to use which, and you will be able to explain it with real world example. Anyone can get it. Generative AI. Let's link it to cricket. Imagine you have a cricket coach. You have been feeding this coach every ball by ball commentary of matches from last 50 years. The coach learns pattern. Who balls well in power play? What field settings work against Virat Kohli? How often Bumrah balls Yorker in death overs? Now, when you ask this coach, create a summary for India versus Pakistan World Cup final in 2026. Rohit Sharma hits a six to win. He doesn't search for the actual match because it has not happened yet. Instead, he generates the commentary by mixing everything he learned. So, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create things, text, images, music, videos, code, instead of just analyzing existing data. In short, traditional AI answers yes, no, predicts number, or classifies data. Generative AI produces something new, a paragraph, a song, an image based on patterns it has learned. How does it actually works? So generative AI models like GPT, Gemini, Cloud works in three key steps. Learns learn the pattern. Just like a cricket player practices by watching thousands of deliveries, the AI is trained on billions of examples, books, articles, website. Let's take cricket example. The AI watches all past matches commentaries to understand sentence flow. Bumrah steams in balls a Yorker clean bold. It learns how the sentences are structured and when they are used. Predict the next move, next word. Generative AI doesn't think like a human. It's probability machine. If you say Virat Kohli drives through the the AI looks at all it has learned and predicts that covers is the most likely next word. A bowler predicts the batter's next shot based on their stance, pitch condition, and past record. So generative AI generate new content. Once it predicts each next step, it keeps going, building on entire commentary, article, or even a cricket match simulation. Example, write a script for a thrilling last over World Cup final. AI might cricket AI might create India needs 6 runs of one balls. Dhoni on strike. The bowler runs in. Dhoni swings hard. The ball sails over long on. India wins. Why is it called generative? Because it generates new things from what it has learned, like a cricket fan writing a new match story using all the cricket they have ever seen. It's not copy pasting old matches, it's making a new match that feels real. Common misconception, many things generative AI knows the future, it doesn't. If you ask, it for a score of today's match, it can't tell you unless connected to live data. It only predicts based on the past pattern it has seen during training. Even if you watched every Kohli innings, you can't predict the exact score he will make tomorrow. But you can make a good guess based on style and form. Key takeaway: Generative AI is like a cricket coach who has read every match report, commentary, and tactic book in history and can create brand new match strategies and commentary that feel real even if the math never happened. AI agent. We just saw how generative AI can imagine and narrate an India versus Pakistan World Cup final. But here is the big question. What if I don't just want a story? What if I want my AI to actually check the live pitch report, pull today's players' stats, study past matches, and then give me the best winning strategy for today's game? That's where AI agents enter the match. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is just not just a model that predicts text. It's like a super intelligent team player who can understand your objective, plan the steps to achieve it, use tools, API, and data sources, make decisions, and adopt based on results. In simple words, it does not just talk, it thinks, acts, and learn on the fly. Let's take cricket example. Imagine you hire the world's best cricket strategist for Team India. Here is how an AI agent would approach your question. Your question was the best strategy for India to beat Australia in today's T20 World Cup final. So understanding the goal, the agent knows you want a real updated match plan, not a generic cricket answer. Planning the strategy, the AI agent's mental plan might look like this. Check today's weather and pitch report. Pull current players' stats for both teams. Review past head to head results at this venue. Find weakness in the opponent's lineup. Taking action tool use. Unlike a regular AI models that's limited to what it knows from training data, an AI agent can call weather API to check rain chances, pull live cricket info or ICC stats, run calculation on strike rates and economy rates, even generate visual matches, plans or charts. So decision making, just like a smart captain reading the field. If there is high humidity, recommend bowling first. If Australia spinners leak runs in middle overs, plan aggressive batting there. If Bumrah Yorkers dominate in the last over, save him for the death overs. Delivering the answer, the agents does not just give you the result; it explains why. Given today's overcast condition and Australia's weak record against left-arm spin, start with Akshar Patel in the power play, keep Bumrah for over 18 and 20, and promote Surkumar Yadav to number third if we lose an early wicket. So why this is different from normal AI? Generative AI, like a commentator, great talking based on past knowledge. AI agent, like a captain, analyst, goes out, gathers fresh info, takes action, adopt, and then answer. So, final takeaway, if generative AI is a brain that understands cricket, AI agents are brain plus hands plus legs. They fetch the latest match data, analyze it, act on it, and rerun with a winning plan. Agentic AI. We just saw how an AI agent is like a smart cricket strategist. It understands the goal, plans steps, use tools, and deliver an answer. But here is the twist. What if the match situation keeps changing ball by ball? What if rain interrupts, a key player get injured, or the opponent suddenly changes tactics? Can AI adopt without you asking again? That's when Agentic AI takes the field. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is an AI agent, but with autonomy and continuous reasoning. It does not wait for you to give new instruction. It observes changes in the environment, decides the next action if by itself, execute without asking for permission every time, loops through the process until the goals is reached. In short, it an AI that plays like a captain who can read the match and change tactics instantly. Imagine you tell your AI captain, win the match for India. You don't need to tell it how to bat, when to ball spin, or when should field at short cover. It figures it out ball by ball. Example, start with the plan. The AI decides we will bat first because the pitch will slow down later. Monitor the situation. 5 overs in. Pitch is offering more spin than expected. Adjust automatically. AI switches the batting order. Sensing player who plays spin well. Handle unexpected events. Suddenly, rain is forecast. AI recalculate the target under DLS rule and changes scoring pace. Keep acting until goal reached. AI keeps re-strategizing every over until the match is won. So how it's different from normal AI agent? I will tell you in the table format. Feature, goal execution. What will AI agent do? Executes a single planned sequence, but agentic AI continuously updates the plan. For the feature adaptability, AI agent will do needs new prompt for changes. Agentic AI self adopts when things change. Control, user driven AI agent, and agentic AI goal driven. Example in cricket, plan strategy before the match, change the tactics mid match automatically. So, real world example, when we cover real world example where agentic AI can use customer support, spots customer frustration in chat, changes tone, offer discounts without needing approval. In finance, sees stock volatility rising, auto adjust portfolio before losses occur. Manufacturing detects machine overheating, slows production, schedule maintenance, and inform the team all without waiting. So, final takeaway: if generative AI is cricket commentator and AI agent are a team analyst, then agentic AI is the team captain on the ground, making smart, real-time, adaptive, adaptive decision to win. Now you tell me, which of these three do you like will dominate the next 5 years? Type GenAI, agent, or agentic in the comment. I'm reading every single one. And if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who keeps mixing these things.